In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on this Mazda 6 with a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. It's located on your intake manifold, so let's get started. Looking along the intake, right between the throttle body and the intake, you'll see the map sensor right there. You'll need a T25 Torx bit to remove this bolt that holds it down. Sneak a ratchet in here and unthread it. Reach in and remove the screw. At this point, we can reach and remove the map sensor off of the intake manifold. Just wiggle it back and forth. There's an O-ring that is holding it on now. Once it pops out, it's going to be difficult, but you'll have to reach another hand in here and unplug the connector. There we go. Basically, you want to pry or press on the tab and pry these apart. And there it is. Reach in here, and I'm going to install the map sensor into the intake first and then plug it in. It's easier to do that. Make sure that connector clicks. Take the securing screw and thread it back in here. Try to follow the threads that were already cut into the plastic. That way it doesn't cut new threads and weaken that area. Give it about an eighth or even less of a turn to tighten that up, because it's a very coarse threaded screw that goes into plastic. Once it bottoms out, that's it. It's basically snugged up. You don't need to tighten it anymore at this point. Turn the engine on, make sure it runs smoothly, and there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.